Hello. I'm a very interesting and intelligent man. And today, I'm getting together with some of my feathered friends to teach you a thing or two about English idioms. I bet you've never been taught by a bird before. You might think that birds are not very clever, and so not very good teachers. And you're right. I mean, look at them. Their heads are tiny. And a tiny head means a tiny brain. So, in English, we call someone who isn't very bright bird brain. Bird brain. Something I've never been called. Another thing you may have noticed about birds is that they can fly, which is very clever considering their bird brains. Now, imagine the view a bird can get when it's flying. Here's a bird, high in the sky, and here's the ground. Marvellous. They can see everything. So, come on, what do you think the idiom to have a bird's eye view means? That's right. It means to be able to see very clearly from a high place. What's that you say? Really? Oh. Is that right? I've got some very interesting information. Would you like to know who told me? Well, didn't you see? A little bird told me. I can use this idiom when I want to give you some information, but I don't want you to know who told me. A little bird told me some very interesting information about you.